This is our laundry down at obviously Vicarage Road. This is where we store all our skips. So when we set up last night, we then put our skips into here for storage. We have machines around here as well. So we have washers and dryers around the corner if we need them. So we used to wash the match kit down here on a Sunday. So a day after a game, we'll have a heat press here and our ball pump. We always turn this on in case of an emergency during a game. Yeah. So we need to quickly print something up in case there's a rip shirt or an injury, then we can have the heat press ready to go. The shirts we packed up yesterday, so they're all on the hanger ready to go into the dressing room to be set up now. We keep our footballs in here as well, so all our footballs get stored down here, so it's one thing we don't have to keep taking backwards and forwards to the training ground. So these are all certain match balls. See, we used to, because we used to wash kit down here a lot more, we used to just store the match kit in there. So all just go in there, but now we've obviously got the training ground, that room now. We use that more often. So we used to be really for match kit to be kept down here. We used to keep all match kit down here and never take it back to the training ground. So if I have her down here, I need two people at the training ground, so not necessarily we can't take a day off, if that makes sense. I need to be in here in case anyone needs anything. So in case someone shouts mine or Matt's name, we have to make sure there's always one of us here. So if anyone needs anything, they can call us, and we're a presence and around. So if they do need us, we're ready for them. Matt don't get it to about 11, half 11, because obviously I need someone to be at the training ground in case anyone needs anything. We've currently just changed a member of staff, so he'll basically look after that. And again, in case I need anything, it's not all about me, because I don't do everything on my own. It's impossible to do everything on your own. You need two people. We got down here yesterday, 3 o'clock, I think. We got away here from about 5 o'clock-ish. So it's again, obviously starting at 7:30. It's a full-on day, so you need to make sure you got two of you, because without having two of you, that can then take even longer, sort of thing. So it's kind of a plan that's been here for a while now. So obviously, as new players come in, obviously places change, but majority of the places just stay the same really now. As I say, going to away games, we do it in numerical order, so it goes in number order of whoever's playing. So we don't. Some teams do obviously the starting 11 and subs at away games, but we do, I say numerical order just to make it nice and easy. So and then when we're packing the skip, we know we put it in number order, so it's ready to just go straight out as soon as we get there, sort of thing. It's nice when you've got a bigger dressing room, because obviously you got more room to play with. But when you've got the old dressing room from here, it's a bit tight. When you go to Crystal Palace and places like that, it's so tight that you've got nowhere to move. So then when you're trying to store skips, get all the players and staff in, it makes it hard for you. We've got a separate bit for staff. We got upstairs. Yes, we got our coach. We put the coaching staff up there, and the physios, kitmen, sports scientists all go in the back. So we have pigeonholes there. So we place them there, which works well for us. And then they've got storage in there where they put their tracksuits or whatever they're not wearing. You do have some tight dressing rooms where it's hard to work with and store everything and get staff changed and players changed. Till pre-season, I went to Stevenage and Brentford. It was quite tight. It's got to be one of the Premier League ones. It's got to be one of the tighter ones for me. I think a few years ago that would probably been the case, but I think now it's just the space they've been given, and that's what it is. I think Burnley had a bit of a restructure. They've made theirs bigger, so I think it's more the fact of the space they've been given, so what they've used it for. But I think in previous years it would have been something to do with what you were saying about the to get into people's heads and headspace, but I think now it's just the space they've been given, the store they've been given, so it's just what they now have. So I don't think it's necessarily that now. I think a few years ago, then we've had obviously a restructure around again. Again with that restructure, we've even made the away dressing room bigger. So I think it's one of them where we have made the away dressing room bigger now that we've got the space to do this. So after the game, preparing, obviously providing Liverpool aren't here, we'll show you around what we got there as well. Tuesday or Wednesday, set up everything, and then come back down here on a Friday, change any players, because we used to have to obviously guess the team. Yeah, so this is where all the officials will change today. We need to add in here is just the match balls and substitute board. So the referee has a substitute board for obviously for the added minutes, and then he'll have all the match balls prepared. So they'll get hangers as well, so they can hang their clothes. They get their coat, so referee coat. That's all we provide for them. All we need to provide for them. So again, this is where we'll set all the manager and coaching stuff. Have a towel and flip-flops out in case he wants to have a shower at the end of the game. We do have a spare tracksuit and training kit downstairs if he does want. His guests in here, they'll have the opposition manager. They'll go and have a drink and have a quick catch-up. And then his family will also come in here after with the coaching staff's family. So the fridge is stocked up and everything's all ready for them.